Massachusetts Institute of Technology Review. Do you want to go to the Massachusetts Institute of Technology? Don't go to the Massachusetts Institute of Technology before viewing these specific video clips. Higher education educates you to become a certified job that works, in financial trouble and broke. Watch this full video before going to the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. You will know 51% of college graduates finished school because of a significant tuition fee the study finds. It is no secret that college tuition is expensive. According to a report by the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, precisely why academics dropped out of higher education was this conflict of curiosity between college, work, and family. Many college students who drop out of college have to work even if they are enrolled in college. Absolutely yes, many students drop out of the institution because of the expensive registration fee. High incomes begin to be generated. The top 7 symptoms of going to college don't fit your needs. 1. You may not believe it. 2. You currently have numerous ideas for adults. 3. For you personally, work experience is slightly more important compared to education. 4. You go only by the guidelines of society. 5. You feel out of place. 6. Your main intention is to live a stress-free life. 7. It is simply not possible for you to stay in one place. If any of the signs match you, you may not finish your college education in a good way. So how can you be successful in your life without college? Here are 8 smart ways on how to reach your goals without college. 1. It is never too early to start. 2. Think about careers that don't have to have college degrees. 3. Understand how to market and make a deal. 4. Grow your community. 5. Choose a coach. 6. Read. 7. Work tirelessly. 8. Harness the power of the internet. Yes, the last, harness the power of the internet. So you can ask me, how should I have 6 figures of work without a university education? Here are the top 3 6-figure jobs that don't require a college degree. 1. Internet marketer. 2. Affiliate marketer. 3. Solo ad seller. But before you jump into these top 3 6-figure jobs, you need to know a few basics. Don't worry. Here is the free training that will teach you how, where and what you need to do to earn 6 figures. Check out this complete workout before deciding to go to college. The link is in the description. View on a desktop computer. Don't forget to like our video.